Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing good. So in today's video, we are going to learn how you can download a design, means whichever design you have created on Canva, how you can download that. So first of all, let's create a design. Let's create a Facebook post, okay? And then we will download this after designing. So I have just imported one template from Canva and I will design this one. You can just change this text to anything. Just join us. And you can just change this photo also. You can just delete this one, delete this image, and you can just put your own image. Okay. You can change this text. You can change this text as well, this text as well. Just click on this and it will be changed. You can put your own phone number here, your own website address, and then these icons can also be replaced. You can just replace this one, but this is an image actually. Okay, so you need to go to icon and upload this one by delete this one and upload your own element. Okay, so you can do that this like this. Okay, so we will download this image. So you need to go to here, share option, and here you will see the download option. Just download this one, and there he's asking whether what should be the format of my image, whether it should be PNG, JPG, how you want to download this image. Okay, so you can download depending upon your requirement. Okay, I will go for PNG. So I will go to download and here it is. I have downloaded this image from Canva. So I hope this is so easy to download. You just need to go to share option, go and download it from here and select the format, then just download it. That's it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. So if you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.